Hi, in this video we're going to work out the following integral. The integral of 1 over the square root of x plus 1 minus the square root of x dx. Okay, like these are surds, and normally to get rid of the surds in the denominator we rationalize the denominator. So if we rationalize the denominator, that means I now take the square root of x plus 1, change that sign there to a plus, and then keep that the same. And because I've done it to the denominator, I must also do it to the numerator. Obviously, don't forget the dx sign there. Then 1 times this will give me the square root of x plus 1 plus x. Notice we haven't integrated, so we keep the integral sign in. And then we use this idea that a minus b a plus b gives you a squared minus b squared. So that will give you the square root of x plus 1 squared, which is just x plus 1, minus the square root of x squared, which gives you minus x dx. Now that's good because the numerator stays the same, but this x will cancel with this x, and this is now over 1 dx. So dividing by 1, we can just now totally ignore it. Now putting this in index form, this becomes x plus 1 to the power of a half plus x to the half dx. Now this is quite simple to integrate using the reverse of the chain rule. So we add 1 to the power, so we write down x plus 1 3 over 2. So now I've integrated, there's no longer an integral sign. Now to compensate for that, I need to realise if I differentiate that, I'll bring that down in front. That gives me 3 over 2, x plus 1, and then if I differentiate the x, I get the 1. So I'm going to have 3 over 2 times too much. So I need to compensate by putting 2 over 3 here. And the same here, x to the 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 is the same as multiplying by 2 over 3. And don't forget the plus c. So this has been a video to show you how to integrate by rationalizing the denominator first. So I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.